Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial where we do a Final Cut Pro trick in under 2 minutes because tutorials don't really need to take longer than that. I'm going to show you how to remove a green screen or just work with one in Final Cut Pro in under 2 minutes, so let's go.
First, you want to get your green screen footage, so if you don't have a green screen or any footage with this green background, you can create it for free using Unscreen. Unscreen's an AI service that lets you load normal footage into it and then change the background. Make sure to select green screen before you download it. I also love Runway ML. This is another AI service that also helps you remove and replace the background within seconds. It's crazy. So once you have your footage with the green background, just import it onto your timeline by dragging and dropping it. And then we want to go over to our effects tab and search for the keyer. The keyer is a built-in effect in Final Cut Pro, and you can just drag and drop it over your footage and it'll auto detect that green background and remove it for you. And then you can just drag that clip over any new background and you've got a brand new clip in less than 10 seconds. We just removed the background. You can also kind of fine-tune the effect in the matte tools. I usually use shrink, expand, and soften to make the effect more subtle and a little more realistic. And that's how you do it.
I hope that was helpful. If you have any editing questions, leave them in the comments below, and I'll also list a playlist to more tutorials if you like these types of videos. Subscribe for a new video on editing every 2 weeks, and I'll see you then. Bye.